Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to answer the question of what is the Audible Premium Plus plan? Is it worth it? Is Audible worth it in general? What are the other plans? So let me just say I've been an Audible member for many years now. I'm going to say back to like 2015 or something like that. And right now I am on the current plan of Audible Premium Plus. I feel this is the best plan for my personal consumption. It's basically right here, you can see I'm in the account section and you go up here, access this through account details, and you can see your membership. Audible Premium Plus, you currently have 4 credits in your balance, and you can see the balance up here for 4 credits available. But Audible Premium Plus, in the UK anyway, I don't know where you are in the world, the price might change, but in the UK, it's £7.99 per month, and it renews automatically every single month. For me, the next billing date is on the 27th of January 2025, and when you pay that £7.99 every single month, basically Audible is going to add another credit into your account. However, on the Audible Premium Plus membership, you can only have 6 credits in your balance at one time. If you stop using credits past that 6-month period, let's just say that you could potentially have a 7th credit, an 8th credit, a 9th credit, Audible will block that and they will keep your account at 6 credits available at any period of time. However, you still have to pay the £7.99 per month. So if you're getting close to the 6 max credits available in your balance, I would recommend purchasing an audiobook with a credit so that it brings your total back down. And from there as well, Audible Premium Plus gives you a bunch of different members benefits, and you can see them right here. So as I was saying, you get 1 credit added to your balance that you can use to buy an audiobook. From there, you can listen to thousands of titles in the Plus catalogue. There's access to sales and discounts. And when we're talking about sales and discounts, you can actually see them up here. You can come to deals, and then your daily deals might be right here. For $2.99, you can get this book. And also from here, you can see browse our monthly deals. This one is a very good example. The regular price of this book right here, the regular price for this book is $31.99. However, the sale price right now, and it'll end in 14 days, is $4.99 or 1 credit. If it was me and I really wanted this book and I wanted to buy it now on the sale, I would purchase that using a credit card for $4.99 instead of my 1 credit, because each credit rolls over once per month. It gets added to your balance and you have to pay $7.99 to continue the membership. So technically that means for me, each credit is worth $7.99. So if I paid $4.99 for this book instead of 1 credit, that would be a benefit to me. I get to keep my 1 credit in my balance that I can use to, let's just say this book right here that's normally $31.99 was not on deal, but I really wanted to buy it. Instead of paying $31.99, I would then pay 1 credit for that book in the future. Hopefully that makes sense. From there, what you can do is come up to the browse section and look through all the different categories and featured authors. Let's just go to J.K. Rowling. I'm going to scroll down. And then this is a really good example right here. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. You can see the regular prices right here, $17.99. If you do not have the Audible Premium Plus membership, you might not be getting these discounts. These prices right here, the member's price of $7.99 or 1 credit, is the membership price when you're subscribed to the monthly Audible Premium Plus membership. You get access to these exclusive prices, and then also you get more credits added to your account. So if you do not have this membership and you are paying for audiobooks every single time, like you're paying $17.99 for an audiobook every single time or $32.99 every single time, you're wasting a lot of money when you could just be subscribed to Audible every single month. You get your credit anyway, and you're paying a lot less for your audiobooks. From there, the app is really good. Once you've purchased an audiobook, you can come up to the library section, and I think I've got 74 different titles in here at the moment. When you want to actually listen to an audiobook, you can come in here to the orange button, press listen now, and it will open up this sort of window right here. I'm going to pause that. You can open up the listening window and then you can actually play your audiobook from within here. However, if you wanted to actually download the audiobook onto your device, I'm on PC right now, but there is an Audible app for mobile and tablets, and there's actually a Mac app as well. On whichever device you want to actually install Audible, you can press download in your library and you can download that audiobook onto the device so that you do not have to have an internet connection to actually use and listen to that audiobook. Let's say you downloaded the Audible app onto your mobile, like your iPhone, and then you downloaded an audiobook. You could listen to that audiobook on a flight, or if you're traveling and you don't have good internet. It just makes audio listening a lot easier and more enjoyable. From there, guys, if you wanted to see all the different memberships that Audible has available, come up here to your account section, go down to account details, and then under your membership, you will see this switch membership button. Press that, and then it says find a plan that's right for you. You've got 4 different plans available. So this is the one that we're currently subscribed to, our current plan, the Audible Premium Plus membership. However, there's Audible Premium Plus 2 credits, and then Audible Premium Plus 12 credits for $69.99 per year. It's not a monthly subscription. And then Audible Premium Plus 24 credits for $109.99 per year. And if any of these plans interest you, you can actually press the orange button and switch to that plan. One final thing, Audible is expanding through the years. It used to be just audiobooks, but now if you come up to the browse section, you can see obviously a lot of audiobooks, bestsellers, new releases coming soon, but there are podcasts being uploaded to Audible. You've got Audible originals like Netflix originals, but just for Audible. You've got Audible Theatre, there's Audible Sleep Tracks, meditation, there's a blog here. So Audible is sort of expanding through the years and giving the users a lot more options and a lot more offerings in general. So guys, hopefully this video explains what Audible is, what the Premium Plus membership is, and if purchasing a membership is actually worth it for you. In my case, I would say it's highly worth it because I use Audible quite a lot. I like to listen to it in the gym or when I'm traveling. I do a lot of travel for work, so I can listen to it on flights or in the car or whatever. So I would say that Audible is very, very worth it. And actually buying the $7.99 Premium Plus membership, where you get a new credit added to your balance every single month, is very, very worth it. So guys, if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.